Welcome to our VIB Electrical two-way switch working. In this tutorial, we will learn about a simple yet interesting concept called the two-way switch. It is also called as a staircase switch, as you can control a single load, a light bulb for example, from two different places, like either ends of a staircase. We use switches all the time in our homes, offices, cars, industries, and many other places. The gadgets we use daily, mobile phone and laptop, consists of several switches. A switch is an electrical device which is used to open or close an electric circuit. Let's see how open and closed circuits work. Closed circuits. Open circuits. Closed circuits. Open circuits. Closed circuits. Open circuits. What is a two-way switch? It is a type of switch that has three wire connections, and it really has no off or on. Both sides can be turned on or off, it depends on how you connect with it. The middle terminal is always common, and the upper and lower terminals act as two sources. Why do we use this switch? In this video we will learn three types of use of this switch. Number 1, controlling two loads with one switch. Number 2, controlling a load from two locations. Number 3, controlling a load from two different electrical sources, like consumer unit, generator, IPS, solar panel, battery. Let's see how works two-way switch. First we will see through an animation the three types of use of this switch, and then we will show the wiring diagram. Number 1, controlling two loads with one switch. Back side of two-way switch, L1, L2, and common terminals of two-way switch, lamp 1 and lamp 2. Now we will connect the electrical cable, but before connecting we will select the cable according to the cable color code of our own country. In this video we will use brown wire as phase wire and blue wire as neutral wire. First we will connect phase wire to the common terminal of switch. Second step, I will connect line 1 and line to both ends of the two lamps. Step 3. We will connect the neutral to the two remaining points of the lamp. Number 2, controlling a load from two locations. Back side of two-way switch, L1, L2, and common terminals of two-way switch, lamp 1. Now we will connect the electrical cable, but before connecting we will select the cable according to the cable color code of our own country. In this video we will use brown wire as phase wire and blue wire as neutral wire. First we will connect phase wire to the common terminal of switch. Step 2, we will connect L1 of switch 1 and L1 of switch 2. Step 3, we will connect L2 of switch 1 and L2 of switch 2. Step 4. Connect the common terminal of the second switch to one terminal of the lamp. Step 5. Finally, we will connect the neutral to the lamp. Now we will finally see how to control a load from two different electrical sources. Backside of two-way switch, L1, L2, and common terminals of two-way switch, MCB1 and MCB2. MCB1 incoming from distribution box and MCB2 incoming from generator. Lamp 1. Now we will connect the electrical cable, but before connecting we will select the cable according to the cable color code of our own country. In this video we will use brown wire as phase wire and blue wire as neutral wire. Step 1. Connect phase wire of MCB1 to switch L1. Step 2. Connect phase wire of MCB to switch L2. Step 3. Connect lamp from the common terminal of switch. Finally, we will connect the neutral to the lamp. Input 1. Input 2. All product links shown in this video will be given in the description box. If you like this video then please support us by giving your opinion in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.